What's up, community? Let's do a review about this supplement, which is a high quality supplement and I highly recommend it for you guys. First of all, this supplement is created with enzymes, which means that it digests faster than other protein powders.
Oh, boy!
Additionally, it's pretty handy before or after your workout. Taste. It's really sweet and creamy, but also it could taste a little bit, just a little bit salty. If you want to choose between water and milk, when you add this supplement, with water it tastes a lot better, believe it or not. Nutrition. It has 25 grams of protein and low calories. Perfect. Price. It costs 30 bucks, but it has 23 servings. Then we are talking about a supplement which is really cheap and with high quality ingredients. Pros. It's really cheap, so it's affordable to everyone. It has a great taste, it's really sweet, so it's easy to drink, and it has high quality ingredients. Perfect. Cons. Even though that it has a really sweet taste, at some point it could start tasting just a little bit salty, and maybe people won't like that, but I think that the taste is awesome. Also, it has micronutrients, and some bodybuilders are concerned if they like it or not, but in general this is a great supplement with high quality ingredients, and I really advise this supplement for those who want to try a good protein. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you in the next one.